Printing your artwork and result as you need is a big deal. But it is possible through the process Best Sublimation Printer for beginners. Printing on fabric, mugs, and related material becomes easy nowadays through sublimation printing. All your needs are fulfilled. However, it would be best if you had a good sublimation printer. The best sublimation printers have a unique process. Firstly, your artwork is printed on special paper, then printed on fabric material applying heat. There are lots of sublimation printers available in the market. But I give the top 10 sublimation printers at a low price, the best sublimation printer for beginners. Starting at number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2750. The third generation Epson EcoTank ET2750 has cost-effective and excellent printing quality. I have been following EcoTank printers, but this one is the best for different aspects. If I left turned on my printer, I send a printing command after some time. It woke up and completed the job. Comparable to other printers, the printing quality is outstanding. It works with Google Cloud Printing, Apple AirPrint, and its own printing cloud printing service, a mobile app Epson Connect. EcoTank saves 80% of ink without compressing of printing quality. This all-in-one printer, wireless, cartridge-free, scanner, and copier Ethernet printer. The performance of the printer is excellent. It is the best EcoTank selling printer. It can scan and copy multiple pages at a time. Printing quality, overall, printing quality is outstanding. It prints photos and auto two-sided printing. It is environment-friendly printing. The ink in the box is enough for 1 year of printing. It prints 6,500 pages of black and 5,200 pages of color. The maximum print resolution is 5,760 x 1,440. It is a wireless printer connected with all PCs, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and connected with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Easy navigation. Talking about cost, so this printer is very cost-effective and cheap. The production quality is more than the price. It has all the main features like scanning and printing. Number 2. Epson Expression Premium XP 6000. Another Epson printer has lots of unique features. If you want to print t-shirts or other sublimation items, use this printer. Stunning printing quality with 5-color ink. Best color photo printer. Ultra-powerful performance with slim design photo, versatile dedicated photos, and DVD trace printing. It works with Alexa. This Epson printer saves time and prints 4 or 6-inch photos in 15 seconds. USB slot and 2.4-inch LCD for operations. Two-sided fast black and white printing speed. Auto photo corrections. Compatible with all devices, easy configuration system. It has an excellent performance in all aspects. Creative printing app, affordable ink cartridge. Superior photo printing quality, used 5 colors ink, 6 inches, 10 inches, and sharp, eye-catching printing documents. One photo of 4 or 6-inch print in just 15 seconds. The fastest printing speed of 15.8 ISO ppm black and 11.3 ISO ppm color. Easy connectivity with smartphones, PCs, laptops, tablets, iPhones, and iPads. Work with Google Cloud Printing, Apple AirPrint, and Epson mobile app. The Epson Expression XP 6000 is a cheap printer with all printing features. That is why it is a cost-effective printer. It has a quick scan feature. The price of cartridge ink is much less than others. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET4760. This Epson printer prints sublimation items like cups and t-shirts. It is a quality printer for business purposes, and office use has premium productivity features. It is an innovative cartridge-free printer, accessible to the refillable ink tank. So you didn't worry about running out of ink. ET4760 give you the feature of fax. I realized that this is a complete package. Refilling of ink is easy with the help of Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles. Make it easy. Save more than 90% ink of replacement. Up to 2 years of ink is in the box using EcoTank Zero Ridge Waste. Pigment black ink produces sharp black text. It prints photos and graphics with excellent quality, scanner, copier, fax, color photos, and modern connectivity. Replacing ink is a big problem in printers. An innovative solution is cartridge-free, saving ink and money, and easily refillable ink tank with this technology. EcoFit bottles make them easy to refill. Printing is fast and precise as compared to other printers. It produces impressive prints with the help of Precision Core heat-free and Claria ET. These technologies have sharp and clear photographs. Save 90% of ink from replacement, enough to print 7,500 pages black and 6,600 pages color, has 2 years of ink in the box. ET4760 has Ethernet and wireless connectivity, works with Google Cloud Printing, Apple AirPrint, and Epson Smart Panel app, connect with all mobiles, iPhones, iPads, and tablets. 2 years of contract with complete unit replacement. Warranty terms apply if the use of genuine Epson ink. Number 4. Canon G7020. Canon G7020 has all printing quality at the lowest price. I checked all features mentioned below, recommended for home and office also. Connectivity, working, replacement ink, all components are impressive. Refilling of ink with bottles. Easy to see ink levels. Wireless printing varies based on distance, print with iPhone and iPads. Easy refill ink with the ink bottles. It has a super tank for ink and transparent glass to check the level of ink. Wireless connectivity requires 802.11b/g/n and 2.4 GHz, work with Google Cloud Print, AirPrint, iPhone, and iPads. Wi-Fi and USB connectivity is available. Connect with mobiles and tablets. With one bottle of ink, produce up to 6,000 black pages and 7,700 color pages, and extraordinary printing and scanning quality. Print high-quality photos in sharp, clear pages. Print 3.5 by 3.5 and 8.5 by 11 size photos. Number 5. Canon PIXMA TR4520. I tested and analyzed this printer and found that it is the best printer at this price. Wireless connectivity, work with mobiles, work with Alexa. Scan documents, fax, copier, print photos, it's all at this price. Easy to set up with laptops and PCs. It is outstanding to print artwork, ability to print both sides. It is recommended for home and office. Ask Alexa to print your artwork, to-do list, documents, and other printing stuff. There is a unique feature, auto duplex. Save about 10% of ink to replace the cartridge. Supported paper sizes are legal, letter, U.S, and envelopes. Prints shipping labels also. Uses the dash replacement method and saves 10% ink on all ink reorders. If you activate to measure ink levels, place Smart Reorder when running low, there is no subscription fee, and cancel anytime you Smart Reorder. Wireless connectivity and easy to set up with your smartphone and tablet. Canon Print app is making easier printing. The standard printing speed, ISO, of black is approximately 8.8 IPM, and color printing speed is 4.4 IPM. It works with Alexa, you can control the printing commands through Alexa. It works with AirPrint, Mopria print service, built-in ADF, and Canon Print app. This cheapest printer has the best quality in printing. The dimensions of printing paper are 17.2 by 11.7 by 7.5 inches. Number 6. HP Envy Photo 7855. It is another epic printer on my list. I used this printer long ago, but it did not disappoint me. This HP Envy 7855 is designed for photos in detailed results and emergency print photos. It is the cheapest image produced through this printer, approximately 5 cents. It has a dedicated photo tray and is easily set up with Wi-Fi, Ethernet connectivity, USB, Google Cloud Print, iPrint, and other connectivity options. Scan your document and PDF scanner. The HP Envy Photo 7855 only uses HP 64 ink cartridge. If you place other ink, it may damage or harm the printer's working. The other main features are the auto duplex, built-in ADF, capability to scan emails, color touchscreen, and many other benefits. The excellent printing quality and detailed image make this printer superior to other printers. It is compatible with Windows OS and Mac OS mobile phones and different printer-connected ways. Work with Alexa and instant HP ink. The printing quality is excellent. To produce detailed results and high results, use 64 HP instant ink. The cost decreased to 5 cents per print. It works with Alexa, and the printer has a small LCD to customize your operations. HP Envy Photo 7855 prints legal-size pages and photos. Scan documents, additional tray to input papers. The printing speed is 15 pages per minute. Number 7. HP LaserJet Pro MFP M428fdw. It is the oldest model of HP in laser printing technology. But I found it is a super fast and excellent performance monochrome printer. It has all features that have the best printer. Here, I will give you the details of all components and use of the printer. The HP LaserJet Pro is a multifunction printer that boosts your printing business. It is the fast and best quality printer to grow your business as you want. It has two-sided printing capability. Another prominent feature is the saving of toner ink, enhancing productivity. The fast and easy connectivity through Wi-Fi and wireless make it the best printer. The printer has the main features such as auto duplex, ADF, auto document feeder, 4,000 pages per month yielding, HP EcoSmart toner, and connects through all cloud apps. The productivity of HP LaserJet Pro is higher than other printers, monthly 4,000 pages yields, to enhancing productivity optional paper tray capacity 550 pages, 40 pages per minute. Easy connectivity with Wi-Fi, you can connect through your smartphone, connects with Google Cloud Print, iPrint, and HP built-in app. The printing quality is excellent through laser printing technology. The toner ink provides the best quality and detailed printing results, famous for printing letters, envelopes, and legal-size paper. The auto duplex, optional paper tray, on-off HP technology, small LCD to control printing jobs, and lots of other features.